Being from Kentucky, I went to University of Kentucky for undergrad and then for med school. And then it came time for me to decide like where to go for residency. And it's very odd that growing up, my favorite team growing up was Kentucky Wildcats, but my second favorite team was actually Arkansas Razorbacks. And you can probably find some old shirts that I had when I was a kid of having Razorback shirts. I think I love those Nolan teams. Never thinking I would ever wind up in Arkansas. As I trained here, really came to love Arkansas and Little Rock and just the state itself. And I saw a really great opportunity to come here and try to provide care for the kids in Arkansas. When I took over as sort of chief of the service, one of my big goals was to make sure that a kid that was born in Arkansas would get the same level of care, from a physician surgeon standpoint that they would get anywhere in the country. And so I really tried to work hard to make sure that the team of surgeons and physicians we have in our orthopedic group provide the same level of care as the places they've trained all over the country, whether that's, Boston or St. Louis or Dallas or wherever. We're able to provide very sort of specialized, and I would say like niche-based or subspecialty-based care. And so the team we have at Arkansas Children's Hospital provide care based on what the patient needs, and the providers are, they're doing the same thing every day. And so they're not just providing kind of generalized care. It's just pediatric spine, or it's just pediatric neuromuscular disease, or pediatric hip. And I think that's what separates us from a lot of other institutions. Every year we interview potential med students for residency spots. And we get this question, we're interviewing people from all over the country, why are you here? Why are you in Little Rock? Why are you in Arkansas? And the number one thing we always go back to is the people. And you're not gonna find better people, I think, anywhere. They're loving, they're kind, they're genuine, they mean it when they say, we're here to help you. And I think that that's really special.